Hi guys, what's up? I am in front of our house, just waiting for my ride. As you can see, I'm wearing this one. So only means one thing. It's fall fishing. We are headed out to the Red River today, and we are targeting walleye today. As you can see, the weather is not in our favor, but hopefully we can make this trip, probably one last trip, worth it. So stay tuned and join us. I'll see you out in the water, guys. Are you member, Papa Jazz? Yan. Yeah, yeah, thank you. Quick stopover. Let's go. We are here na, but although it's still raining. Oh, Netley Project now. Netley Project. Only have like one boat here, so we are the second and the third one. Yan na. Let's go, let's go. Looks. Boat setup, boat setup. Second boat, second boat. Siyempre, si John Boat pa rin. Oh, di ba? Yeah. Sabi pa nga, may isa ng bobo ron, ayun. Oh, we are the second one and the third one. Hopefully, it turns out to be a good day. Okay. Getting ready to put the boat in the water.
Tachuchu ka pa dyan! Balikin mo ko pagpunta mo ng Japan! Sasampa na ako, Mike.
Sige, sige. Second boat coming in. Yeah. Yeah. So, we're all set. Again, we're hunting for walleye. Because it's fall.
Gumamit ka ng
Kumuha
kung
dyan.
anong gusto mo. Kahit mamaya hulog ka naman eh.
Lip gloss na lang sa akin.
Ayan na. Ayan na, umatak na.
Yes, huli ka balbon. Huli ka balbon. This is a big one, boys. Yes. It's a big one, boys.
Malaki yan.
It's a big one. It's a big one. It's a big one. Look at the bend, boys. Sana master to. Sana master to. Jazz, parang awa mo na, Jazz. Hulihin mo yan.
Ayaw mo muna tumakbo, pagurin mo.
Pagurin mo na. Oh, Jazz, angat ka na, Jazz. Kunin mo na.
Magpuperkay, magpuperkay.
Lunok pa. Ay! Okay, ayos lang, ayos lang. Look at the teeth of that.
Kitang-kita ko ng bumagalat.
May nalunok sa isda. No?
Oh! Pare, pa-picture, pare. Yes, I think it's a master, boys. Ha? Asan na yung panukat ko?
Oh, sige.
Hindi kasi babalik natin to. Okay lang yan, okay lang yan.
1, 2, smile.
Balik ka na.
Balik na.
Hindi naman pala yung meet, ha?
Bye-bye. Thank you for playing with us. Bye-bye! 27 and 3/4. It's gonna be a hard thing to beat. 27 something. Bahala na. Let's see. One. Ooh! Good size. Ay!
Eater yan, boy.
Good job. Ayos.
Quality.
Lunch break. Gutom na yung mga people. Oops. Oh, lunch break muna tayo. Lunch break. Yes. Food of the gods. Okay. Let's eat. So, yeah. We might be able to do a comeback. Let's eat. Okay, back to business. We're going to the shorts. That's our spot. Second spot. Later. Hindi na magpapalit ng leader. Hayaan mo na yan.
Leader jacket.
Hindi. So we landed like a few good sizes, pero hopefully we can get some more. Para dito sa tao to, may maiuwi. Yeah. We are at short. He gave this place the name. Yeah, the El Capitan.
Ikot lang tayo dito.
Yeah. Okay, got one. Okay din. I think so. Pero good size na sauger. Not bad. Okay, second fish. Soldier. Soldier. Ay paglaro na sa amin ng soldier. Oh. Red River Soldier. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye, team. Ha? Ito? Ano ko pala game ko? Hindi pa ako marunong nito. One click. Diretso ko na. I'm driving! First time ride. Pala. Yeah. Walang yung Marlino to. Don't tell me ako paakitin mo nito. Kaya sisipin ko na tanong na ano ko ngayong araw. Lord, thank you. It's a wrap. Good day. Well, it's kind of slow, but we at least we caught something. So we're
I
good.
don't think it's no.
Sorry for the French, but yeah, it's a bit.
We're ano.
But
Didn't do very well today.
we caught a few on the other boat. Marlin had a few 27.75 and one solid. Just better luck next time.
Next time.
Yeah, what we said. It's all about the memories, not just catching. Thank you for joining us today. See you on the next video. Ciao.